see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you. I like the chase, and I know you do too. Am I just in love with the idea of you? 'Cause I'd cross a million seas. Would you do that for me? Yeah, I'd fly this whole world twice if I could be your paradise.
Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm so excited. As many of you guys know who follow me, it is wedding month. So I'm here at Spa V in Plymouth, Minnesota, which is an amazing medical aesthetic space that I can't wait to share with you guys. I'm here to fix my face. I just had a consult with Kristina, which went so well, and she recommended Botox and a little bit of filler around some of these mouth lines, the parentheses lines, and these little shadows I've got going on here. And then of course Botox. For me, I am younger, I am in my 30s, but I love how it's preventative, so it's gonna stop me from getting wrinkles a little bit earlier, and also it really helps me with my headaches. So I'm so excited to do that. And she's also going to inject it in a way that lifts my brow, so it's gonna help my hooded lids. So I can't wait to show you guys the procedure. For those of you who are not familiar with it, it's very easy. Anytime you get injections on the face, there's a chance for bruising, so keep that in mind, but we'll see how that goes. I'll let you guys know about pain level and all of that, but I do have some experience, and for me it's not really an issue. I have not, however, gotten any injections around this area before, so I'm excited. I'm so excited about this place, you guys. It's so cute in here. I'll insert footage, but Spa V is so awesome because it's owned and operated by a board certified plastic surgeon, and all of the, it's not a traditional medical spa, all of the offerings are a little bit more high tech, a little bit more advanced, and a top of the line things. You can get everything from microwave technology to stop sweating under your arms permanently, to Botox and filler. As I said, you could get freeze away your fat, you get Kybella injections to remove your double chin, and you can tighten your vagina. Anyone? Everyone here is so highly trained as well, and they have a career background in plastic surgery. So I feel very confident in my technician. So I'm so excited. All right, so we're starting with the Botox, and what you're seeing here is her just cleaning my skin before she goes in with the needles. We didn't do any numbing. I just held a little bit of an ice pack on there. And now she's just going to be marking my muscles. She's going to be having me frown and scrunch my face in different ways so she knows exactly where to inject me.
With the idea of you, 'cause I'd cross a million seas. Would you do that for me?
And now it's time for the Botox. As far as pain level goes, it's very minimal, you guys, and I didn't do a bunch of numbing or anything like that. Just tiny little pricks. You don't really feel it going in or anything. It's just really minor. There are quite a few little pin pricks. I'm not exactly sure how many in total, but very minimal pain. And now we're doing a little bit of that brow lift. She's just injecting a little bit of Botox right underneath my brow, and it's really subtle. And now I'm just kind of icing the parentheses lines that were getting filled just with a little stainless steel roller situation. It feels really good. I want one of these at home. Now again, cleansing the area before she goes in with the needles.
So we are using Restylane Refyne today, and why I like to use Restylane Refyne, it's a very unique product that when injected around the mouth, it moves with people when they talk, you know, so it's a very natural looking product to be injecting around the mouth. It doesn't look stiff. It's very, very important to have that flexible product when we're injecting in fine lines and wrinkles, especially in high movement areas around the mouth. And then I'll put, you know, you don't need a lot in your nasolabial fold.
Okay.
I'm going to put just a little bit right in here.
Where it's the deeper part?
Yes. I tend to not do a lot of nasolabial fold injections. Typically I'm going to inject, you know, more in the cheek area to get that lift.
Okay.
But just because, you know, you have volume in your lip, and I want to soften this transition here a little bit.
Okay, I agree. Okay, I like that. Now the injections start over here. Same thing here, you guys. I wasn't sure if this one was going to hurt in this area without any numbing cream or anything like that, but it really didn't. I mean, I wasn't even flinching when the needles went in. You definitely feel them, just a little prick, but nothing major at all. 100% bearable.
Close your eyes. Would you dream for me?
Now she's just kind of massaging the product a little bit, making sure everything is really smooth. And now we're doing the other side. Can you see the difference already, you guys? It's so subtle, but so youthful looking. I'm so obsessed.
Oh, thank you. Yes.
Oh, that looks so good.
Doesn't it just very
That's so subtle, but so nice.
You know, nothing crazy.
Oh, that made my lips look better too.
I know.
That was like a little bit of an aggressive line there.
You're just a little bit more swollen here
Yeah, that's
than you
okay.
are here.
That's
But-
okay. I don't think the swelling there will really bother me.
Good.
Nice. Oh,
Yes.
I have a booger hanging out. Sorry. Sorry,
Oh my
I didn't look at that all day.
No, I did not even notice, honestly. I would have told you because you're on video.
Like, Megan, your booger. Alright, you guys, so I just finished up with Kristina. We're, of course, a little swollen and red. We had to wipe makeup off in spots. We got a bunch of Botox here, 30 units. I did some between my brows, up high to kind of raise, keep it raised, and a little bit of a brow lift. And then I did some filler in my nasolabial folds, and then some filler here. So we're going to be a bit swollen, of course. Generally, injections around the mouth do swell, so that's something I understand. She gave me a little ice pack, so we're good. But she was awesome, you guys, and it looks so good. I know some of you might think, what are you talking about? You look crazy. I'll show you in a couple days, okay? Alright, you guys, so it has been about a week and a half. At about 4 or 5 days, all the swelling was really gone, and it was very, very minimal. I had a teeny tiny bruise over here that just kind of looked like a freckle, so it was super easy to cover. But other than that, super easy going. I know in the last clip, right after I got it done, you guys probably saw some little, there's a cat. I know in the last clip you may have seen little red bumps and things where I was pricked by needles, but after about a half an hour, those were gone. So that is super temporary, but other than that, I am so happy with how everything came out. It looks so nice. You know, I don't really look like I got a bunch of stuff done at all, which is kind of ideal when you're working with your face. I just feel like I look much more youthful. My Botox is fully kicked in now, so this is me trying to move it. That's all I got. I'm really enjoying the slight brow lift. I don't know if you'll be able to notice that, but I noticed it when I was doing my eye makeup. I can actually wear winged liner again, because my hood kind of went over where that would be, so that was an issue. So that is super fun. Really happy with that, and I'm super happy with these lines right here. I'm obsessed. It's probably one of my favorite things that I've ever done. Definitely check out Spavi, you guys. In the description bar, I will have all of their information along with a link to their website so you guys can check them out for yourself. They're so good. Leave me any questions that you have down below if I missed anything and you guys are curious about a certain aspect. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you next time. Bye!